Good morning, everyone. I hope you had a Merry Christmas. As usual, my husband spoiled me rotten with Christmas presents. This is zChocolat from France. This was in my stocking. My husband did order it directly from their website, shipped overseas. I got this no problem. I just was like shocked when I got it in my stocking. So size-wise, it's pretty heavy. I was like, what is this? Actually, I thought it was like a deck of cards. I didn't realize what it was at first because it is definitely different packaging than a typical chocolate store that I've got. And so a little personal message, I think it was just Merry Christmas. And then this little booklet, I didn't really look, I've already opened this, but I'm just reopening it to show you guys for all my chocolate lovers out there. So I didn't look at this little booklet at first, but flipping through it, it shows like what each chocolate is made out of. And that is pretty darn cool. And the reason that this is important, because when I first opened it, I was like, how are you going to tell the chocolate pieces apart? So even though this looks like it's a chocolate bar, it's not. It's actually a little box of chocolates, and there is 2 of them. And keep in mind, I already opened one, so there will be a missing chocolate. And so it's got this little protective shield. Take that off, and then we open it up. And so yesterday, the first time I opened it, I was like, wow, look at all those chocolates minus the missing one. How am I going to tell them apart? Well, if you look at them really closely, they are all numbered. So that says 1, 2, that's a Z symbol, that's a Z symbol, but then you got, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So they're all numbered with numbers or symbols. So you can go into this little booklet. So let's try another one. Let's see what number 1 is. So number 1 is a distinctive Madagascar bourbon vanilla ganache infused with the Provocaine essence of lavender and covered in Venezuelan and Madagascan blend 70% dark chocolate. And then it has a list of ingredients. Isn't that just amazing? Like every single chocolate has a detail on it. This is just so cool. All right, let's try that one. See how pretty that is? You can definitely tell it's a ganache because look at that creamy center. And yes, I'm probably pronouncing something wrong. I'm pretty terrible with pronunciations, but bear with me. Oh my god, that is so good. I haven't opened the second one yet. Trying to rip anything. Oh, that's cool. This says, scan QR code for a chocolate description in your language. Huh. This one probably said it too, I just didn't notice. Oh, look at that. And so then this is number, what is that? 1. Oh, so it's just like the same box twice. All right, well, let me put this one back real quick. And they're so heavy too. Anyway, I just wanted to show you because these chocolates that I've had so far, I've only had 2, but they're awesome. They're all going to be awesome, I can just tell. The packaging is wonderful. Oh, I guess they must have Valentine's chocolates. That looks pretty. I just flipped to the back of the book. So really, the way my husband finds these chocolates for me, because he knows how much I love chocolate, he just Googles like top chocolate award winners. And that's how he found this company. I'm sure they have a website. It's called zChocolat. He totally paid for this. This is not sponsored. But I just wanted to show you because I just was impressed by the unique packaging. It's like this little nice drawstring bag. And I just was really impressed. So enough rambling because I'm going to eat one more. I'm going to eat some more chocolate. Let's see. Let's try one more. I like milk, and I'm not a huge dark chocolate fan, but that dark chocolate was really good. I could quickly see myself becoming a fan of dark chocolate, but I do, personal preference is I love milk chocolate. So we're going to try number 2. It is an Italian Giudice praline handmade with Piedmont hazelnuts and Venezuelan dark chocolate covered in 40% Ivory Coast milk chocolate. Wow, that sounds amazing. Oh my god. Not as creamy as the other one, but still pretty creamy. And hazelnut. I can totally taste the hazelnuts. It is so good. Oh my god. Give me a moment while I eat this wonderful chocolate. Oh, so good. So good. I really want to eat the whole box, but I'm going to take my time. I'm going to stretch this present out. Like fresh chocolate like this, you really want to eat it like within, most times when I get these chocolates, they say eat within 21 days. This will be gone within a week. It'll definitely be gone within a week. So good. So yeah, I'm very impressed with this. And oh my god, you know what? Let's just do one more. Let's do number 4. I technically haven't had breakfast, so what's one more chocolate? All right, here we go. A couverture of rich 40% Ivory Coast milk chocolate surrounding a praline handmade with roasted Valencia almonds and peanuts from China. So this one should have almonds in it. Let me take a drink real quick to clear my mouth. Yeah, I'm drinking Dr. Pepper. Not the best palate cleanser, but it's what I like. Okay. I can taste the peanut. It's good. Not as good as hazelnut, but still very good. My husband outdid himself on this one. So I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas and you have a wonderful New Year. And he got me lots of chocolate, so I'll probably be posting a bunch more chocolate videos. Anyway, enough rambling. I hope you all have a happy New Year, and I will see you later.